Review of Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K with AI-powered Fire TV Search. The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K is the latest version of Amazon's popular streaming device, enhanced with faster performance, better picture quality, and the addition of AI-powered Fire TV Search. Designed to provide a more intuitive and personalized entertainment experience, this device aims to transform how users interact with their favorite content. In this review, we will explore its features, advantages, and disadvantages to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Design and setup. The Fire TV Stick 4K retains the compact design of its predecessors, featuring a dongle-style format that plugs directly into the TV's HDMI port. Its discreet size makes it ideal for any home entertainment setup without taking up additional space. Setting it up is quick and easy. Simply connect the device to the TV, plug it into a power source, and follow the on-screen instructions. Thanks to Alexa integration, users can set up the device using voice commands, making the process even simpler. Picture and sound quality. One of the major improvements in this model is its support for 4K Ultra HD, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos, ensuring top-tier picture and sound quality. Colors are more vibrant, contrasts are sharper, and the audio is more immersive, delivering a cinematic experience at home. The combination of these technologies allows users to enjoy streaming content in impressive quality, provided that their TV and streaming service support these formats. Performance and user experience. The new processor in the Fire TV Stick 4K delivers improved performance, with faster loading times and smoother navigation. This translates into a more seamless and interruption-free user experience. The AI-powered Fire TV Search is one of the most exciting new features. This functionality uses artificial intelligence to improve content search, offering personalized recommendations and more accurate results based on the user's viewing habits. Available content and apps. The Fire TV Stick 4K provides access to a vast array of apps and streaming services, including Prime Video, Netflix, Disney+, HBO Max, YouTube, Hulu, Apple TV+, and more. Additionally, users can install extra apps through the Amazon Store or sideload APKs for further customization. Alexa integration and voice control. The Fire TV Stick 4K remote control includes an Alexa button, allowing users to operate the device using voice commands. They can search for content, pause, fast-forward, adjust the volume, and even control compatible smart home devices. Alexa integration also provides real-time information on weather, news, sports, and more, making the Fire TV Stick 4K a multifunctional tool. Pros. Enhanced picture quality, supports 4K Ultra HD, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+ for an outstanding visual experience. Immersive sound, Dolby Atmos support improves audio quality on compatible TVs and sound systems. AI-powered Fire TV Search makes content discovery easier and provides more accurate recommendations. Faster performance, the new processor enhances speed for navigation and app loading. Wide app compatibility, access to major streaming services and the ability to install additional apps. Alexa voice control, full integration with Alexa for a more convenient user experience. Compact design and easy setup, plugs directly into the TV with minimal setup required. Great value for money, offers advanced technologies at a competitive price compared to other streaming devices. Cons. Amazon-centric interface. While it supports many apps, the interface prioritizes Amazon services like Prime Video. Limited internal storage, can fill up quickly if many apps are installed, with no microSD expansion option. Ads on the interface, some users may find the ads and recommendations on the home screen annoying. Requires a stable internet connection. To fully utilize 4K and Dolby Atmos, a fast and stable internet connection is necessary. Some features may not be compatible with all TVs. Users should check TV compatibility for technologies like Dolby Vision and Atmos. Conclusion. The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K with AI-powered Fire TV Search is an excellent option for those looking to enhance their home entertainment experience with top-tier picture and sound quality. Its compatibility with 4K, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos ensures an immersive experience, while Alexa integration and AI-powered search make content access easier than ever. Although it has some limitations, such as limited internal storage and ads in the interface, its benefits far outweigh these drawbacks. It is an ideal choice for Amazon Prime users and those seeking a powerful, user-friendly streaming device with advanced features at an affordable price. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell for more videos.